Hi guys, this is DK here from Dkcleanings. Welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean the toilet bowl properly. Before we start washing toilet bowl, make sure we put lots of bleach inside the bowl, not outside, like this way. And then just leave it for some time, maybe a couple of minutes, and then you can use any type of liquid, like you can use dishwashing liquid or like whatever, like in the kitchen one. So we're gonna wash this nicely. Make sure you clean all the corner nice and easily. And then as soon as you finish washing, make sure you use the brush inside the toilet bowl. And then you just rinse with the water. Rinse nicely. Try to use less water so that you can drain it easily. Okay, so as soon as we finish washing and rinsing, and then we're gonna use squeegee for the taking out the water from here, around here. You can't live like this, so we're gonna make sure the water is out of this area. Okay, now the second thing, we're gonna wipe down everything wherever we put water. Make sure this is nice and dry. You just need a couple of rags to wipe it down. And as soon as you wipe down a little bit, make sure you clean the floors and the walls around. After you finish drying, make sure you have a methylated spirit. This is a methylated spirit, and this is also half water and half spirit. So methylated spirit, and now it's all dry. So we're gonna take a new rag. Clean rag. So we're gonna spray. You can spray here, or you can spray directly, and then we're gonna clean from the top. Make sure all the nearby wall has been cleaned with a spirit. Even the brush, this toilet roll holder is, and now we're gonna clean. We're gonna wipe down toilet bowl with a methylated spirit. So that's, now it's dry, nice and shiny, and it's good for killing germs and everything. So this is now 100% clean without, there is no any bacteria, no any germs. So this is 100% clean. So make sure you guys clean properly, and then you can do the split, methylated split right on the floor wherever is nearby toilet. So there we go, and whatever you have is stuff, you can wipe down all the stuff nearby, like a toilet brush holder with a sprit outside, and then put it back like this. Floor has to be dry, and then if you have a bin you use nearby, make sure you wipe down the bin with a sprit, and then whatever you have more stuff nearby the toilet, make sure you clean. Make sure you clean with the sprit. So your toilet is now 100% clean and germs free. Thank you for watching my video.